guys, it's your girl Dan. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm about to make ackee Caesar rice. I'm gonna show y'all how I do it, so stick around for that. And do remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend about my channel. Also comment on the videos. Comment on the videos. Like the videos. Don't just watch the video them and don't like it. Like the video. Okay? Peace out. Saltfish over your so boil. The seasoning cut up your so. Yeah, you sweet pepper, bell pepper, onion and pepper. Shredded carrot right here so. Lettuce right here so. Shred up and thing. Tina ackee right here so. Clean up and ready for cut. Yeah. And last but not least, rice has steamed down right as a sheen at the rice cooker. Yeah, you. Alright, so now pick up the saltfish now. Fine. I make the plate now. I make the container. Right, God. Ooh, so come back. Alright, so I'm gonna season up my saltfish while I fry it down with the seasoning of my choice. So I have black pepper, complete seasoning, and the lemon pepper seasoning. Somehow I like how this make the food taste, so I'm gonna add a little of this. Okay? I'm gonna add the saltfish. And one thing I forgot to do was open the ackee and run the hot water on the ackee. So I'm gonna just make this cook down a little bit while I do that. So I'm gonna put a little of the seasoning on it because I want my rice to have a little color. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on it. Oh, the spoon is hot. Oh my God. So now I'm gonna put a little butter in this pot. This is the outcome of this ackee and saltfish. But I'm gonna do another combination in this pot. I don't want to do it with all the ackee and saltfish. I'm just gonna do a portion. So I'll put a little butter in this pot because I like my fried rice with butter. So let's go. Alright, so I had the rice and I'm gonna have the shredded carrot. Portion now of shredded lettuce. Portion. And then I'm gonna stir that in and then add the saltfish to it. Okay, so that pot wasn't big enough, so I had to do a transfer. So now I have the ackee and saltfish in with the rice. Let me turn the stove up because it's not simmering. It's not sizzling. I want to hear it sizzle. You know? And I'm gonna let it simmer a little bit so the carrots can just sort cook a little bit. Don't want them too soft, but just so they can steam a little bit. Yeah, so I'm stirring it all in. This looks and smells so good. Guys, you ready? And the girl's about to dig in. When I tell you it looks and tastes, when I tell you it looks and smells so good, trust me. It looks and smells so good. I'm gonna try to shake up the plate for presentation. See that? Yeah. Y'all need to try this, okay? Alright, do remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend about my channel. You know what to do. Like, share, and subscribe. Click the notification bell. Comment on the videos, guys. Let me know how I'm doing. Let me know what can I do to upgrade myself and my videos. So, peace out.